Hello again, we are back. So as we discussed last time, we'll be talking about how to plot the graph of a given linear equation in two variables, right? So let us learn how we do that. We all know what a Cartesian or a coordinate plane is. You all are familiar with this kind of a figure which has an x-axis and a y-axis meeting at the point called origin. So this is called a coordinate plane or a Cartesian plane, and our job here is today to represent this given linear equation x plus 2y equals 6 on this Cartesian plane. Okay. Now, how do we actually draw a figure on this particular plane? If that can only happen if I know some points that lie on that structure. If somehow I can figure out 2 or 3 points that lie on that figure, what I can do is simply connect those 2 points or 3 or 4 points and get a structure on this plane. Correct? So, coming back to this, if I try to connect what I said right now, if I want to show this, represent this on Cartesian plane with some kind of figure, it may be a straight line, it may be a circle, I do not know what is that as of now. What I need to do right now is get some points that lie on that figure. In other words, I need some points, some coordinate points that lie on this equation. Or in other words, I need some coordinate points that would be a solution to this linear equation. Right? And we had already learned in the last section how to find the solution of a linear equation. So here I've just taken 4 such solutions. A minimum of 2 points is also okay. But just to begin with, let's do a couple of more than 2 points. So these are the 4 solutions that satisfy this equation, which I've already found out. You can very well see. 0, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 6, 0. Right? Now, let's move ahead. What is the next step? Now that I know all these points, all I need to do is plot these points on the graph. What is 0, 3? 0, 3 is x-axis 0 and your y is 3. This is 0, 3. What is 2, 2? 2 and 2. Somewhere here. This is 2, 2. What is 4, 1? 4 and 1. 4 and 1. This is the coordinate point. And finally 6, 0. We have 6 on the x plane and 0 on the y plane, and hence this is the point that represents 6, 0. So we have got 4 points that would be lying on the structure that I'll make. That will be representing this equation. So what I need to do right now? Just join these points and see what kind of a figure I get. So here we have. Sorry for this drawing. I have a very bad drawing. So what do we get? If we join all the 4 points, I get a straight line, right? I get a straight line passing through these 4 points, and this is the line which actually represents the equation x plus 2y equals 6 on your Cartesian plane. Understood? Why? Why do I say so? Because I got 4 points which actually lies on this solution, which satisfies the solution, which I already found out here. And all I did, I simply plotted those points on the coordinate plane and joined them to get a straight line. So what do I understand? A linear equation in 2 variables can be represented on a coordinate plane or a Cartesian plane using a straight line. And that is why you can say, the linear equation Why do we call it a linear equation? Other than the fact that the degree of the equation is 1, we can also relate it to the fact that the structure that represents a linear equation on a coordinate plane is actually a straight line. Hence, we may also call it as a linear equation, right? So, I'll do a quick recap of how to plot a given linear equation on a Cartesian plane. What you need to do is simply pick couple of solutions to a given linear equation. How? Just randomize certain values. Use one value of x and get the other value of y. Similarly, so on and so forth, you can get 3 or 4 points or coordinate points that will be satisfying this equation. You plot those points on this Cartesian plane and join those points. Once you join those points, what you get is a straight line representing the given linear equation. Okay? Simple enough. Now, one thing we must understand from this exercise is that we just mentioned that we get a straight line by connecting the dots, which were represented by the solutions of this equation. That means, what can I say? A point, any random point that lies on this straight line is also a solution of this equation. Any point that is lying on the straight line that represents the equation is also a solution of the equation. Right? Secondly, another point. Any solution of this linear equation will lie on the line that represents it on the xy plane. Good? Is that good? Clear enough? What are the two things that we learned? Points or any coordinate points that lie on the line representing the equation is a solution to the equation, and vice versa. That is, any solution to the given equation will be a coordinate point lying on the line. And any point which does not lie on the line, somewhere here, wherever, is not a solution to the given equation. Is that cool enough? Right? So this is how we plot a linear equation in two variables on xy plane or a coordinate plane. Right? Next we will carry on a bit more on this and see how different exercises can be done. Right? Bye-bye.